In this video, I want to show you how to replace your serpentine belt tensioner with pulley. Comes all assembled, ready to go on this 5.4 liter Triton V8, so let's get started. In this video, you might notice that some components are missing. You do not have to take anything apart to do this repair. As you can see, you can just reach right down here and perform your repair as needed. I took other things apart only for camera purposes, otherwise I would not be able to show you what I'm showing you. This right here is the tensioner. As you can see, it has a 1/2 inch drive in the head of it, right where the pulley sits. So I'm using a long breaker bar because this tensioner is pretty stiff. Go ahead and remove the belt off of anything, whatever you can reach. Let go of the tensioner and remove your tool. Now let's replace this tensioner. It has 3 10mm bolts that hold it on. There's one back here, one at the top, and one at the front. Remove them all the way and pull the tensioner right out of the way. Save the bolts though. Take your new tensioner, line it up, put the bolts in, and make sure that you start them in by hand. You don't want these to cross thread by accident. Let's bottom them out and then torque them to 18 foot-pounds. It's time to put the serpentine belt back. Push down on this to release tension, slide it up on here. With everything back together, go ahead and run the vehicle and make sure everything is good. Double check the belt to make sure it's on all the pulleys, and then take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.